Yo, what's good, gang? Welcome back to another banger, another vlog. So, like I said on the past vlog, on this vlog, I was gonna start working on the side exit. So I was shaving and cleaning up all the weldings to actually start measuring, because this shit, it gotta stay like it was before with the angle. So I gotta angle it and all that stuff. So I was cleaning up with the grinder a little bit, and I'm gonna start taking off all those little 12 nuts out. And after I take the header out, I gotta weld a couple points and start measuring it and make it fit even like it was before, and then weld it all together. So let's get it. A little dirty right there. Alright, so header is out, both sides are cleaned up. So I'm gonna give it a little 2-pointer real quick with the welder. Sheesh. And I'll come back to y'all. Alright, so we gave it a couple welds. Now we gotta measure it and make sure that it goes through the hole like it was before. So gotta raise the car. This shit's not going anywhere. Yo, gang, it's the next day. Yesterday, bro, it got too dark. I was welding the header, but it got too dark and I stopped completely. And it's been like 2 days since I was working on the header because it was raining and all that, and I was not gonna risk my health. But here we are welding. I'm gonna finish up welding. It just needs a little bit more on top and clean it up. So I'm gonna drop a couple more B-rolls of me welding. So let's get it. Yo, finished welding, got everything back to the header, is back on with a little bit of paint on the fresh weldings. Yes, sir. Yo, so I actually try to clean this part a little bit. I still gotta polish it, but it's pretty much coming out. All right, so we're gonna put this back, install it, and turn the car on and see if we got any leaks or something. All right, so car is back on the ground. Got to put the bumper back and all that, but let's give it a little start. Let's see how it sounds. Oh shit. Sure. Yes, sir. Yo gang, it's the next day. As you can see, we big outside. The side exit is back on. It's working perfectly fine. It's not melting the bumper or nothing. We're gonna eat a little ice cream, you know what I'm saying? Yo, we got some ice cream. Yo, we got out of eating ice cream. We was buying some munchies. I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls of the car in a little bit. Shit is parked like a normal, in a normal NPC car parking. Yo, I didn't record too much B-rolls because I moved spots. I'm here chilling with the homies right now. I already know what's going on. Little meetup on the transformer. Optimus Prime.
Mira, están los exprimen.
Ya lo menos así. Coglo ahí, corillo.
Está diciendo, mira, ahí están los puntos pillados. Cabrón, yo compré una vez un trote del 74.
Yo, we moved spots once again. We've been mobbing and chilling. Not gonna lie, car's doing super good and great. Shining. Sure. New bumper. Bumper nuevo, Esteban.
Dice, a ver si raspa o no raspa. Yo me fijé porque este carro deja el liga allí parado. En el parking de la Mobbin, con el que mola fama, donde sea no tenemos que rentar, si no cogen los...
Yo, Gangski, it's the next day. Yesterday, bro, we had fun. I didn't record too much outside content because I was chilling with the homies and all that. But we made it safe today, bro. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. But I'm actually gonna finally, after months, I've been slacking. I'm gonna match the camber of this side to this side. And maybe it's not too noticeable, but bro, it's off like 2 degrees. So this side needs a little bit more tilt. Yeah, you can notice. So this vlog is gonna end up right here. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. A lot of bangers coming. Car made it safe yesterday. A little scrapes on the lip, but as always I say, this is a static car. I will always have some little scrape marks on the front lip. You can see it right there on the... But other than that, bro, car is minty. Sheesh. So basically today I'm gonna camber this side, and I'm probably gonna polish all the wheels again, the lips, because it's starting to look a little... It's not shining like it used to be. So that's gonna be on the next vlog. So this vlog is gonna end up right here. Like I was saying, if you made it to the end of the vlog, bro, thank you so much for watching. It's hella hot outside. I'm sweating, but I'm still dropping these bangers for you guys. So if you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share the video with everyone, bro. Share the video on Instagram. If you like the build, bro, family, friends, sister, with everyone. And nothing, bro. See you in the next one. Peace.